What's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Rafael back again. And in today's video, I want to talk about the trade that I took yesterday, the trade that I've shared with the team yesterday. Yeah, I missed out on a crazy opportunity because I was not in front of my charts after I closed my first trade. I mean, the first trade was a small winner, but yeah, I tried to load it up, moved my stop, took first profits, loaded up a little bit, and then yeah, I got stopped out at around break even with a small profit yesterday. Overall, it could have been like a $300,000 trade or something like that. It was crazy, guys. So let me show you the results first. So this was yesterday, guys. I made 33,000 on this sell on NASDAQ, guys, but it could have been so much more, man. Let me tell you that right now I got another sell position running on NAS. Man, it was consolidating for a long time. I hope that we can slash through yesterday's lows today. That would be lovely, so I can take some profits on this one as well. This one is loaded up as well, pretty aggressive. So let's see if we can make another bunch of money today. I'm gonna keep my eye on that one. So let's talk about yesterday's trade, guys. Why I took this trade and what was happening in here and how much more could I have banged, man. This one was crazy, guys. So let's go to the 30-minute time frame to show you what was happening, guys. So yesterday, this is yesterday's movement. So at around 8 o'clock, New York session opened, we slashed, we broke structure to the downside. Market gave me clear reaction to the downside, so I decided to jump in on this one. And I put my stop above the 30-minute candle. Well, my first target, of course, was the low of the day before. This was the first target, right? But my main target was this beautiful double bottom in here, last week's low. This was really my main target. It was so obvious that we're gonna slash through this one. The only problem that we had is that we were early. I was early, and after that, I mean, I did something else here in the house, and so I missed out on that huge run. But let me show you what was happening, guys. Let me go to the 5-minute chart real quick. So I got in at around New York session when it opened, right? Put my stop above and then just let it run. Took my first profits in here, small profit, I mean around 40K, like 0.5% risk. I closed 50% of my position at the days before low. And as you can see, the market turned around at that zone. As you can see, we broke structure, and I was like, okay, maybe it wants to just move to 11,600, big figure number, and from there we will probably see some more downward movement. But I was not patient enough to wait for that. I had some other stuff to do, so I was not in front of the charts. So I took my profits in here, and then when the market pulled back a little bit, I decided to load it up a little bit, and I moved my stop and profit on for the other half of my first position. So I got in again, and then I got stopped out somewhere in here at around break even. And after that, like 20-25 minutes later, the market made a beautiful break of structure where we could have get in as well. I mean, look at that beautiful entry in here with a stop above somewhere like this to target the week low. Last week's low would have been another 2.2 to 1 risk reward ratio. I mean, with a stop above this one would be nearly a 3 to 1 risk reward ratio. Man, this one would have been another 300 grand, easy. Right? I mean, even if it would drop a little bit more, like we could have made so much money on that drop. Crazy. I was so sad when I saw that it really dropped and I was not involved in that one, but yeah. Next day, next chance, guys. So yeah, let's see what we got in here. This thing is consolidating like crazy. I was thinking to close this thing a couple of times already. But yeah, let's see how this one will run. Guys, I will keep you updated about this one in the next video. Make sure to join the free Telegram channel, guys. I'll put the links down below in the description. Join the free Telegram channel and drop me a private message if you need my help. I'm there to help you guys get on top. So if you're looking for advice, drop me a private message in Telegram. As soon as I have time, I'm gonna answer you Last days it's been a lot. The channel is growing like crazy. Many people are sending me messages, need some help. Guys, I love to help you all, but have some patience with me in the chat. Could take a while sometimes, but yeah, I got a lot of valuable knowledge to share with you, so the patience will pay off, I promise. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Wish you a lovely, profitable trading week, and see you in the next one, guys. Let's see how this one will run. Let's see, man. For now, it's in profit, but not where I want it to be. Anyways, have a good day, guys. We talk soon. Peace. Every time I, my body in love.